Hi! So, if you want to change like a girgit from this to this, you should absolutely watch this video till the end. And please ignore my fits of dancing. Also, ignore my hair too. We girlies know how the first day of wash is the worst day for the hair. I only dried my hair to certain extent. Clipping my hair up to air dry, let's do some skincare. This toner moisturizes the skin like nothing does, even for the dehydrated girlies. Also, why not play my favorite playlist? Now applying the most popular essence on the internet. This sunscreen is to swear by. It also gives a subtle glow to your skin. Now that we've done the skin prep, let's hide my hyperpigmentation with this concealer. This is Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer. I tap it into my skin with my fingertip. Now on to contouring. You can absolutely skip it if you want, but I like my cheekbones highlighted. Also, I like my bronzer cum contour blended into my hairline. Can you see the difference? It just enhances your facial bone structure. Now because I'm not getting full glam ready, that is why I'm using a tint rather than a foundation, because I don't need full coverage today. Also, that is why I used my contour before the tint, just to give a natural definition to my cheekbone. Another tip: if you want to use a full coverage foundation, you should use contour or bronzer after the foundation. Here I'm applying loose powder to bake my face because I forgot to after the concealer. Now, on to my favorite part, the eyes. This is a palette from Makeup Revolution. First, I take an angled brush, spray some setting spray on it, and use the black shadow to line my lids. I draw a thin line across my lid and elongate that liner to make a thin but long wing. It gives a fox eye illusion to my eye. Then I take a brown shadow from OXX Sparkling Rose palette and define my under eyes by swiping a thin line of the brown shadow. Do you see the difference? Then applying the same shadow on the outer corner of my eye. Also taking no extra shadow, I swipe it inward, tracing my crease. Then I take a shadow almost matching my skin tone and put it in the middle of my eye. Don't forget to hydrate your lips if you have chapped lips like me. Here I'm showing off my already done eye. Now on to the other one. I'm doing the same as I did for the first eye. Just don't stress over if your liner does not look the same as the other eye. Your eyes should look like sisters, not twins. Doing the same procedure as I did for the other eye, as you can see, applying a thin line of shadow under your eyes does wonders for the definition. Also, you can achieve the same look by using a liquid liner. Personally, I don't use liquid liner because I don't like harsh lines. Now on to the next part, fairy dust. This is the blush from the same range as the eyeshadow palette. I am in love with this blush. It's so pigmented and looks so natural. Also, because I love to color my cheeks more than I should, I apply a generous amount of blush to my cheeks and my nose. On to the next step, defining your lips. I use this color bar lipstick and a lip brush to line my lips. For the girlies who have chapped lips like mine, don't remove your lip balm before applying your liner. I'll tell you why. When you smudge your liner with your fingertip, it automatically dries out the lip balm. Also helps in smudging out the liner. Using this Clinique Black Honey religiously every time I go out. And we're done with the makeup. Let me tell you a secret. These are my favorite pair of jhumkas. Am I forgetting something? Yes, I'm forgetting something. Who's gonna fix your makeup in this humid weather? Who? Also, the fanning is a technique invented by me because I tend to touch my face while it's drying. Another tip: if your lipstick does not stay as long as you want it to, just apply some fixer on your fingertips and tap it into your lips. And finally, we are Girgit ready. From a peasant to queen. This was an intermediate glam look. Let me know in the comments if you want daily makeup or full glam like this one. Please show some love to the video if you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Bye.